Hello students, this is class 6 geometry exercise 15C. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about triangle inequality. Now what do you mean by triangle inequality? It means that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now what does it mean? Now suppose let us draw triangle ABC and let AB be 3 cm, BC be 7 cm and AC be 9 cm. Now according to this triangle inequality definition, what does it states? It states that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now see, now add any two sides of a triangle. For example, if we add 3 and 9, how much? 3 and 9 is how much? 9 plus 3 is 12. Now 12 is more than 7. Okay, so 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is more than 7. Once again, if you add this two, 3 plus 7, how much? 3 plus 7 is 10. Then 10 is more than 9 cm. Okay, now once again, if you add this two, so 9 plus 7 is how much? 16, and 16 is more than 3 cm. So in any case, if you add any two sides of a triangle, it will be more than the third side. Once again, you add, see, for example, if I add this two, 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. 10 is more than 9. Okay, now if you add these two sides, 9 plus 7, how much? 16. 16 is more than 3. Okay, now if you add these two sides, 9 plus 3, how much? 12. 12 is more than 7. So this is the definition of triangle inequality, that if you add any two sides of a triangle, it will be always more than the third side. Okay, and if it is not more than third side, or if it is equal to third side, then it cannot be the side of a triangle. This is very important step or important point. You have to remember that if you add any two sides of a triangle, it will always be more than third side. So this is the meaning of triangle inequality. So I have written. Okay, now let us start number 1. Now number 1, it is given, is it possible to draw a triangle the length of whose sides are given below? Now we have got some data and we are asked whether this can form the sides of a triangle or not. So I have solved part number 2. It is given 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm. Now we have to say whether this can be the sides of a triangle or it will not be. So we have to check, as I told you here, we have to check all the three cases. Okay, this two we will add, we will see whether it is more than this one. Then this two we will add, we will see it is more than this one, and this two we will add and we will see whether it is more than this one. In all the cases it should come greater than. Okay, so for example, now see 2, 3 and 4. So we will add first 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3. Now 2 plus 3 is how much? Okay, so we will check. So first we will add 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, how much? 5 centimeter, and 5 is more than 4. So 5 is more than 4. Once again, we have added this 2. Now add this 2. 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, how much? 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 is more than 2 because 2 is left. So 7 is more than 2. Now we have added this 2. Now we have added this 2. Now we will add this and this. That is 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is how much? 6 centimeter, and 6 centimeter is more than 3 centimeter. So more than 3 centimeter. So once again we will add 2 and we will compare with the third one. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is more than 4. Okay, then we will add this 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is more than 2. So 7 is more than 2. And then we will add this 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is more than 3. Okay. Now important point is, remember, you have to remember is this, all this should come greater than. In all the three cases it should come greater than. If any of the cases it comes smaller than or equal to, then it cannot form a triangle. So in all the three cases it will always come greater than. So our conclusion is, it is possible to draw a triangle with the given sides. Okay, all should come greater. If any of them comes smaller or comes equal, then it is not possible. You have to add here not. Okay, so once again remember, in all the three cases it should come greater than. If any of the cases it comes less than or equal to, then it is not possible. And otherwise, if all the cases it comes greater than, it is possible to draw a triangle with the given sides. So this is all about number 1. Now come to question number 2. Now in question number 2 is given, two sides of a triangle are 5 cm and 9 cm. What can be the length of its third side? Now in our question, we have got a triangle whose two sides we have got 5 cm and 9 cm. Okay, two side is given, and we know that in a triangle there are 3 sides. So out of 3 sides, 2 sides we have got 5 cm and 9 cm. Now we have to say what can be the length of third side. Now how to find the length of third side? What we will do? First we will add both the sides. Sum of two sides of a triangle. Okay, we'll add. So 9 cm plus 5 cm. So 9 cm plus 5 cm is how much? 14 cm. Okay, and then second step we will subtract both of them. Okay, so difference of two sides. Difference means subtract. So difference of two sides of a triangle equals to, again we will subtract 9 cm minus 5 cm, that is equals to 4 cm. Now the length of third side. Okay, the length of third side of the triangle must be more than 4 cm and less than 14 cm. So the third side will lie between 4 cm, more than 4 cm and less than 14 cm. So how to find? Once again I am saying, whatever two sides are given, first we will add and then we will subtract. Then third side value will lie between 14 cm and 4 cm and 14 cm. So you have to write in the last line, the length of third side of a triangle must be 4 cm and must be greater than 4 cm and it should less than 14 cm. Okay, so this is our question number 2. Now question number 3. Now number 3, we have got a figure. Okay, a triangle is there ABC and P is a point inside this triangle, and we have to say whether it is greater than, less than or equal to. So see this figure, look at this figure, PA. So PA is this one plus PB. So PA plus PB dash AB. So as I told you, if you add two sides, it will always be more than third side. So here we will give more than sign or greater than sign. Okay, now come to question part 2. PB is this one and PC is this one and BC is this one. So once again, this plus this. So if you add two sides, it will be always be more than third side. So PB plus PC is more than or greater than the third side. Now part 3, AC is this one, then PA is this one, and then PC is this one. Now AC, this is single side, and PA plus PC, it is sum of two sides. So single side will always be less than sum of two sides. Okay, because it is single side. So single side will always be less than the